Hello everyone, I'm so excited to be here. This is my second video and today we're going to be doing something really cool. So let's begin with tutorial number 2. Ooh. Is anybody there? Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is obviously put our foundation. I use the MAC foundation. This one I love because it's kind of light and it really lasts like a long time. Like every time I use this foundation, I can just, do everything that I have to do throughout the day, and my foundation is perfect. For me, this is one of the most important steps. I hate it when I see like little spots, so I usually do take my time on this step. So since this makeup tutorial is inspired in the wonderful Frida Kahlo, I do want to mention one of her phrases to inspire you guys. So here it goes. I don't paint dreams or nightmares, I paint my own reality. So let's use our faces as our wonderful canvas and let's show the world who we are. So something very curious about Frida Kahlo is that she had about 143 paintings, but 55 of them were actually self-portraits. And this idea comes from her obsession of painting herself, coming from the pain and loneliness that she would constantly feel. So I want to inspire you guys to love yourself, even with your perfections and imperfections. Just love yourself. Okay, since Frida used like this peachy colored eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Chanel lipstick because I do not have peachy colored eyeshadow or orange eyeshadow. What you're gonna do is just tap on your eye, and then you're gonna seal it with a regular eyeshadow so that it doesn't leave like that sticky feeling, and it looks actually pretty cute. So now let's move on to the eyebrows. So we're not actually going to just do like the whole unibrow look because this is a makeup inspired in Frida Kahlo. So we're taking basic elements from her look and we're creating our own little Frida Kahlo inspired look. So as you can see, my eyebrows are pretty thin, so I wanted to kind of create the effect of like a fuller eyebrow. So what I started doing is first I did like my little marks just to see where I wanted to create more hair, and then I started using my brown eyeshadow. Then I used a brown eyeliner just to kind of like start creating this effect of like a fuller eyebrow, but I wanted this to look very natural. I didn't just want it to be like just like a bulky eyebrow, fake, so I wanted like a very natural look. I love this part because it kind kind of creates the effect of like little tiny hairs, and it looks very natural. So what you're gonna do is just, you know, start in the inner part of the eyebrow and then just walk yourself or work yourself to the outer part. And as you can see, actually my eyebrows started looking darker, which is what I wanted to create. And then it helps just make the fake eyebrows a little more real, and it kind of like starts just blending in with the real part of your eyebrows. Another wonderful quote from Frida Kahlo is, "Feet, what do I need them for if I have wings to fly?" So, whoever is watching, use your wings to reach your dreams. Okay, so now let's make our pretty little eyelashes even prettier with some mascara. So you can use your regular mascara. I'm actually not putting fake eyelashes just because I wanted this look to be very natural, and also to inspire you guys to maybe do it for like an everyday look. Little announcement. So the reason why I did this tutorial is because I actually have my new collection of Frida Kahlo in my store shop, I believe, so you guys are all invited to visit us. Oh wow. Okay. Frida. Ok, Frida acaba de entrar a mi video y se fue. That is very creepy. It is extremely creepy. Oh god. Oh god. Well, so as you can see, this video was originally in Spanish, which I will definitely be speaking Spanish every now and then. So if you guys want to see the whole process of creating this work of art that you just saw, which is amazing, I actually collaborated in the process, I invite you guys to follow Adazar Pablo or Senor Tuni here on YouTube so you can see the process. It was truly an honor for me. So of course this tutorial wouldn't be complete if we did not have a Frida Kahlo inspired look, so let's get to it. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and leave me comments. I'm dying to hear your opinion, or share your tutorials as well. I would love to see them, and also turn on your notifications so that when I post a new video, you guys can, you know, see it first. So to finish up this look, let's add some accessories inspired in Frida Kahlo. So she was known for wearing very ethnical accessories. So I had these, and then let's put a shawl just to complete the look, and that would be our Frida Kahlo inspired look.